Now we will be talking about stress. Let's observe these two diagrams. There are two copper wires that are stretched by the same weight. The forces are the same, but the extensions are not. Can you guess why? As you see, the wires have different cross-sectional areas. The thinner wire stretches more. We say that it has a greater tensile stress. The word tensile means under tension or stretched. What about calculating the stress? The stress, symbolized by sigma, is equal to the force F divided by the cross-sectional area A. What is the unit of the stress? The unit of the force is in Newton and the unit of the area is meter squared. Therefore, it is a Newton per meter squared. And this is called Pascal. The symbol is PA.